Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install ChatGPT app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this issue. In the first method, you want to ensure that you're trying to install ChatGPT from Google Play Store while logged in. However, if you are already logged in but you are unable, then we need to do some troubleshooting on this Google Play Store. And in the first method, we need to access Google Play Store app info page. For that, just long press on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. Now here, the first thing you want to do is to try and force stop this Google Play Store. And once you have forced stopped it, this will prevent it from running other activities or in the background that might be causing the issue. And then you want to clear data. So for that, go to clear data here and choose clear cache and OK. By doing this, you'll be able to clear files that your Google Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience, but these files might be a big cause for your app not working. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone and open your Google Play Store app and then search for your ChatGPT app. So I'll search for ChatGPT and our app is here, and try to install it. However, if you can't still install it, then we need to change some settings on Google Play Store app. For that, just open your Google Play Store and go to this profile icon of yours here and scroll down, tap on settings here, and then look for this option, network preference. Under this, choose the first option, app download preference. It might be different on your end. Just tap on it and choose the first option over any network. So you can see currently it is set to over Wi-Fi only. This will hinder me from downloading and installing this app via mobile data. So I'll tap on over any network and then tap on OK. Now go ahead, turn on your data or connect to your Wi-Fi and install your app. So I'll try now and see. So I'll go to Google Play Store and search for ChatGPT. And here's the app. Let's try and install it. And look at that, I'm able to download and install ChatGPT. However, should you still encounter any issue while trying to install, then you might want to free up some space if space is an issue on your phone. For that, delete some unused or unwanted applications, images, or even videos from your gallery. Clear trash on your smartphone before you can install your ChatGPT app. So that's how you can fix can't install ChatGPT from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.